Every reject in life will lead you into better destination. Most of the people, we don't know God's plan. God has his plan. Maybe when your husband didn't divorce you, maybe you are not a doctor or a teacher, because most of the time when a person rejects you, or you are being rejected in family members maybe rejected you, and you are doing something in your life, will lead you into a better destination. Because guys, you are being rejected, those people, they don't like you, but you are going back to school, you are going back to school, most of the time it will lead you into a better destination. We don't know God's plan. Maybe your husband divorced you or rejected you because God wants you to be a doctor. He knows that you can't be a doctor or a teacher when you are married, or when you are with that person, because most of the women, we can be relaxed. Most of the women, we can relax when we are married, especially you know that your man, he is working, what you can relax. So God, he can give many plans, can you can do many plans, because why do you ask God why it happens? No, God knows why it happens most of the times. So guys, sometimes God have got many plans in our lives, especially you are doing nothing. Most of the people, they are rejecting you. Yes, they are rejecting you, but they don't know God's plan. They don't know, because especially when you don't have parents, your family members rejected you, no one likes you, but God still likes you, because most of the time people, they don't know God's plan. Maybe if those people, they don't reject you, you are not who you are today. Because sometimes to being rejected sometimes can give you pressure to do something in your life, because most of the time guys, you are loneliness, you know that you have to work hard to do better in your life. So sometimes can lead you in a better destination, because you are being rejected maybe by friends. Those friends, God don't want to play with those people. Maybe it's God's plan. Maybe he doesn't want to play with those friends. He knows that when you are still playing with those people, you are not going anywhere. So sometimes don't ask many questions. You know that God plan, you don't know his plan, because sometimes when you are being rejected, maybe in family something, or your husband leave you, you sometimes you know that it's God plan, because most of the women now are achieving a lot in life, especially single women. Those people, you know that they are divorced, but most of them, they are go back to school, starting go back to school, doing better in their lives.